My name is Gabriel Stille, and in my session in this year's Time for Empathy, there will be a discussion on artificial empathy. Yeah, because right now we're living through a breakthrough of artificial intelligence, and applications are popping up all the time. Chatbots are increasingly performing roles as buddies and mentors and coaches, therapists, or even partners. And these applications are trained on previous input and can react to human emotional expressions and in turn express a response which amounts to a kind of artificial empathy. But on a historical note, it's also interesting to note that humanistic psychology has been actually criticized from the very start for being quote unquote robotic in offering reflections that are just repeating what is said. And actually one of the very first chatbots were modeled in the 60s to answer like a humanistic therapist. And also, if we look at NVC circles, there is a discussion around how the mechanic, so to speak, application of the 4 steps with a list of feelings and needs relates to a more grounded and lived in focus on resonance and embodiment and connection. So in the session, you are warmly invited to bring all your ideas and your questions, and we will start with a presentation with such looks at history and to science fiction and other influences that we have. And then we try to make sense of this. What is artificial empathy useful? Could it be so? And how do we want to react when AI is entering our fields? What do we want to do? This is what I invite you to come and join and talk about. So join me.